everyone, hello my money friends, welcome back to the channel. Dunk here from Dunk's Money. If you are a subscriber, thank you very much for subscribing. I really appreciate the support, and thank you for all the liking and commenting on my previous videos. If you are new to the channel, I'm Dunk. I'm from Scotland. I'm an entrepreneur and then I'm an investor. I'm really interested in finance, and this is my YouTube channel where I will share stocks and shares sorts of tips, financial issues and other sort of money matters. I'll be posting videos here, so make sure to subscribe so that you get all my latest videos, and I hope that you will enjoy them. I started off in the world of finance about five years ago or so, and I understand that it can be quite confusing at first, but don't worry, you will get there. Keep watching the videos and watch other folk as well, and you'll learn lots more about finance. I hope you enjoy. Hello YouTube, hello money friends, welcome back today to another episode here on Dunk's Money with me, Dunk. If you're a subscriber, thanks for watching, and if not, welcome to the channel. So today I'm going to speak about the Vanguard FTSE Emerging Markets ETF. A lot of words there, guys, but very simple to understand. So this is an ETF offered on the Trading 212 app. ETF stands for Exchange Traded Fund. And if you're sitting there going, oh my goodness, what is an exchange traded fund? Basically, an exchange traded fund is a fund which tries to copy or mirror or replicate the index. So the index in this case being the FTSE Emerging Markets Index, this fund basically tries to replicate that index. And what they do with this fund is Vanguard have bought over 1,000 different stocks in large and mid-sized companies which represent that index, or as close to it as they can. So it's a passive fund. There's no ongoing management of the fund. They just buy the stocks basically and leave them, let them sit and mirror the index. It might sound confusing, guys, but honestly it really isn't. I know it sounds difficult, but once it's explained to you, I hope that way explanation I've given you helps. So a bit of information about this fund. So this is a Vanguard fund. Now Vanguard, they have assessed their funds, so between 1 and 7 is the risk, 7 being most risk, 1 being least risk. This fund currently sits at 6 out of 7 for its risk. Obviously, guys, we know that we tend to find that higher risk, high reward, and lower risk, low reward, but it's up to you and what suits you, and I'm quite happy to go for this fund. So just a bit of information. So the fund currently owns over 1,758 stocks in medium to large sized companies within the emerging markets economy of the world, if you like to say it like that. And there is over $1.8 billion worth of assets within the fund, so it's a very large fund. The price to earnings ratio on this fund is 12.8. The return on equity, 17%. And earnings growth of 13.9%, so quite good numbers there for me. I'm quite happy. So what we'll do is less me talking about the fund, we'll now jump into the app and you can watch me purchasing my units within the fund. Now guys, remember, with an ETF you're not buying individual shares. Although you own a share within the fund, you're buying a unit in that fund, and obviously the more valuable the fund, the higher the unit price. But let's jump in the app and you can watch me buying some units in that fund. Everybody, back into the Trading 212 app today, 26th of May 2020, with me, Dunk from Dunk's Money. So today, as part of my strategy to diversify my portfolio, a great easy way of doing that is to buy into exchange traded funds, also called ETFs, on the app. So today I'm going to be buying into the Vanguard FTSE Emerging Markets ETF, as I quite like the look of it. If you look over the last year, for example, even 3 months, you'll see, have a look at the graph here, guys, the chart, 5th of March, £41, and it's come down to 36 by the 2nd of April, but obviously we're getting a bit of a climb now. You can see here, February, as with most stocks I've been purchasing, guys, there's a massive cliff with lockdown, but it's rising again, which is nice to see. So it's £41.13, roughly. So what I'm going to do today is I'm going to buy £600 worth roughly of units in this fund. Now the Vanguard FTSE, it's an index fund basically, so what it does, well, it tracks the performance of the FTSE Emerging Index, and basically it tracks large companies, large and mid-cap companies within emerging markets. So you would imagine it could be quite volatile with the emerging markets. Obviously, given that Brazil, South America are now having a big are having their sort of peak with coronavirus. We're going to see what happens with this fund, but I'm quite happy to buy into it today. So let's go for it. These ETFs are a great way to diversify your portfolio, as opposed to buying individual stocks and shares. So let's go for, see what I can get for £600. See if I can get there. Right, that'll probably have to be the best we'll get there, guys. So I'll go for 14 units. Review order. So Vanguard FTSE Emerging Markets ETF, 14 units at £576. So let's go for it. So that should confirm pretty quickly as the market is currently open. So that should come through pretty instant. Let's see. Still pending. But no, I'm quite happy with the look of this ETF. And as I say, ETFs are a really good way to diversify your portfolio. I've been focusing a lot on buying individual stocks and shares. I do have other funds that I pay into through my bank, but this is the first time I've been buying these ETFs on this app. So the order's still pending, but we'll leave that and I'll update you. That's how it goes. So as you saw there, guys, it was the 26th of May 2020 and I purchased 14 units within the emerging markets ETF offered by Vanguard at £41.11, bringing me to a grand total of £573. Now, just some information for you guys. When I was tracking this and looking at the chart, I could see that in January 2020, one unit was worth £48.22, and in March, following lockdown, it dropped to £36, which is what I wish I had bought in. But anyway, this is what happens, the joy of trading. You can't always time it perfectly. Well, I certainly can't for some reason. If only we had a crystal ball, we'd all be very, very rich. But no, I'm quite happy there. So I bought my 14 units at £41.11 each. So we'll see what happens. And just information with this fund, guys. Any dividends are paid to you quarterly with this fund. So it's pretty cool. It's always good to get your dividends paid to you as well as the growth on the stock or the fund. But no, a very cool little fund there. I'm quite happy with that. As always, guys, please comment below. Let me know if you're invested in this fund and what you think of it. Let me know what you think of the video. Hoping I'm bringing you the right content here. And if I have, please hit like so that I know I have. And as always, guys, remember to hit subscribe and you'll get all my videos as they come out. And thank you very much for taking the time to watch this video. I really do appreciate it. Remember and stay safe and enjoy trading. So I really hope you enjoyed that video there. Thank you very much for watching. Please comment below and tell me what you think. If you like this video, please make sure to like it. And please remember to hit subscribe and you'll get all my latest videos. All the best, guys. I'm Dunk and I love money. So should you.